Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well and welcome to our online class. Today I will start chapter 3. Chapter 3 is about computer virus. So, this virus terms, we are now very much familiar with this term, isn't it? COVID-19. That is also a virus, but not a computer virus. COVID-19 is a virus which affect human. It's a human virus, human affected virus. It affects the human beings. Even non-living beings are also affected with that. But here we are talking about computer virus. That means COVID-19 will not affect computer. No need to worry for that. Okay. So computer virus is something else. So these viruses are actually a program. It's like a application only, like a software only. But software or application which we use, that is for our benefit. They help us. Virus just reverse. They irritates us. They makes a small work which can be done in a fraction of seconds gets longer time to execute. That means its main target is to disturb us, to destroy the normal functioning of computer. These computer viruses are very dangerous. Normal functioning of computer get totally disturbed, affected, and lots of problem arise. This virus are actually created by the programmer only, but they are not good programmer. Their intentions are bad. Okay, their intentions are bad. So their intentions, their motive is to destroy, to irritate other users, computer users. Virus itself has one full form, VIRUS. You can see here in the board I have written vital input resource under cease. So this vital input means our important data, they are under risk. Okay, because computer, laptop or smartphones, why we use? Not only for the basic purpose, but also for storage. We store lots of informations. If I talk about smartphones, so many photos, so many videos of our collections, our like memories are stored there. If suppose a small virus enters and destroy these all things, what happens? We lose our important informations, important data will be deleted from our system, from our smartphones. Same thing happens from the laptop and computer also. In offices, business, people, they store lots of informations, and this virus, they comes and destroy us, isn't it? Technological weapons. Nowadays we can call this virus as a technological weapons. But human one is COVID-19 is biological weapons. Okay, that's not a technologicals. That COVID-19 will not affect our system or computer. That will affect us. That's why we are at home. Okay, stay home, stay safe. This policy we are applying. But for computer, smartphone, COVID-19 is not the virus that affects. It has a separate virus. Okay, understood the difference? That is biological, and we are talking about technological virus. So as I have told you that this virus are very dangerous. They coming different sources are there. Through internet, we use external devices, storage device like pen drive, CDs and all. From there it enters. Even we downloads so many programs, so many applications like games, music, songs, videos. With that also it comes. And once it comes, it affect. Gradually it makes our computer, our system like slow, hangs and restart, automatic shutdown, and so many different problems arise. So when we talk about these types of virus, again you can see I've listed here boot sector. Now what is boot? Boot is actually the starting part. As computer system is totally made of hardware, and to run the hardware, to provide instruction to the hardware, we need a software. Software as two types, application and system. Application for user, and system for computer. So among the system software, the most important is operating system, and operating systems are stored in hard disk. Okay, hard disks are the storage for operating systems. So when we press the on button in CPU, first instruction goes to that hard disk, that particular boot means the area where operating system is stored. Then only computer gets on. Now suppose this boot sector is only destroyed, computer will get on? No. So you might have seen that today your computer is working very properly, very nicely, excellent work performance. But all of the sudden tomorrow, like when you comes and you check your computer, you try to on, but it's not getting on. Power is there, electricity supply is there, but still computer is unable to display the desktop. The reason? Crashes. That is because of virus. So these things can be with tablets, mobile phones, or laptop also, because they also have operating system and virus can enter there. So boot sector main work is to destroy the partition. Boot means the storage area, the main storage area where system softwares are stored. Very dangerous. Secondly, you can see I have written program file. Now where operating systems are stored, in that particular drive you will see one program files, one folder is created automatically, and that folders have lots of important files, programs. Like when you try to open Microsoft Word for typing, so Microsoft Word will not open automatically. It will first check the program files whether the instruction to open is available or not. And suppose the virus has destroyed the program files, then do you think the program will open? No. Not only for Microsoft Word, for games, for videos, for images, for anything. Okay, it just like attack the executable file or communication file or DLL files. Means the files which are required to run the applications, that file is destroyed, so applications are unable to run if program files are deleted. So understood, children? First type boot sector, second type program file. Now let us come to third part, multi-patite. Now what is multi-patite? Multi-patite means, multi means many. Many things can be destroyed together. Simultaneously it can destroy many things. It can even reproduce itself, and it will show that your disk is full. Okay, all of a sudden your hard disk is full, there is no storage. Sometimes it happens with our smartphone also. All of a sudden it will show that storage area full, but you don't have enough images or videos stored in your smartphone or computer or laptops. So the question is how it happens. These things are happening because of multi-patite virus. They can reproduce themselves. If one is there, it can create 2, 2 then 4, 4 to 8, like this. Same way our COVID-19 is also doing, isn't it? If one is infected, it can spread to many. That's why we are maintaining the social distancing. Now computer we cannot make, okay? Don't think that keyboard will be placed somewhere else and mouse somewhere else, monitor somewhere else, CPU somewhere else. Not possible. Okay, by that way we cannot, like we cannot be safe. We cannot tell that our computer is now safe. Okay, now virus will not attack. No, not possible. This virus is something else, technological virus. Okay, it attack from inside. Multi-patite virus. It can attack multiple files. Maybe a virus is attacking a boot sector also, at the same time program file also. It can be multi-patite, so many things together simultaneously. So now let us come to the fourth part, macrovirus. Macrovirus are very common nowadays because we are familiar with internet, online, everything is online. See, now education is also online. So this macrovirus, what does it do? Macrovirus travels. Okay, if suppose one computer is infected, what it will do is it will travel. Now how it will travel? Through air. Train, bus, plane. Lockdown can be done? No. There is no lockdown for computer. Okay, so it travels. Now how it travels? We use internet. Through internets. We use pen drive, CDs, data cables, okay, Bluetooth, infrared. So many means of communications are there we use. Okay, by that means of communication, it travels. It goes to other system and gradually infect that system also. So this is the work done by this macro virus. So is this clear, children? Now the question arises: how you come to know that our computer is affected by virus? How? See, our computer will act abnormally. Say, usually when you on the computer, it will first display the desktop icons, taskbar are there. You just click on the start button and performs your work. This is normal work. But all of a sudden you find that when you are starting the computer, it's taking lots of time, long time. Okay, you're just simply watching that, seeing that how it opens, and it's taking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. That means affected. First. Second, suppose it opens also, desktop appears. But when you try to open any programs, when you're clicking something, the circle starts. Just rounding on. Okay, keep on rounding on. That means it is not displaying the exact programs. Taking time again. Virus. Trying to do shutdown. It's not becoming virus. Computer hangs. You are just moving the mouse, but cursor is not moving. You are pressing the keys of keyboard. No response. That can be done. That is virus symptoms. Okay, you are drawing or you are typing, and all of a sudden you found that your computer shut down. Virus. So many symptoms are there to get the virus. Okay, by this way we will come to know that our system is affected by virus. So the question is how this virus comes. How this virus comes in our computer. Suppose you are not using internet, no means of communication. You're not using pen drive, CDs, or maybe any other external storage device, but still your computer is having these symptoms, virus symptoms. Now the question is how our computers or smartphones, laptop, tablet get affected if even we are not using any communication medium. Yes, then also it gets affected because we are not using a genuine softwares. We are all using pirated softwares. The operating system is pirated. The application software which we are using is pirated. Pirated means duplicate one. We are not purchasing, we are not paying for this. So whatever we are using, all we are using is pirated, the duplicate one. So do you think today's time, 2020 means 2020, anything is free? No, nothing is free. If someone is giving you something in free, that means there is something. There is something, means they want something from you. Okay, so if internet is providing us free download, that means they want something from us. What they want? They want us the storage area for their virus also. You know why? Because if the virus will be stored in their system, means our system, then what happen? Gradually our computer will be destroyed. And if our computer will get destroyed, we need to purchase the things. We have to go to the technicians. We have to go to the sales shop. We have to purchase the devices. Okay. Now directly or indirectly, they want to do their business. Now who are they? They are the programmers. They are the companies who manufactures these things. So virus are also a program, okay, but their work is totally reverse. Other programs are for our benefit, for our useful, but virus for their benefit, and for us it is destructions. Once it enters, means not from today, but gradually it will start showing its face, okay, and will be disturbed every time. Will face some problems. So children understood what is computer virus. So if virus is entered in our computer, that means we are not safe. We means not we, but our system is not safe. System in the sense means our datas, our informations, the important things, whatever we have kept in the computer, that things are not in safe. That can be destroyed anytime. So children, this is about computer virus. Okay, its main work is to disturb, to irritate the user. Clear children? So today we'll do up to this much only.